this side here. Sure. So I'm directed to come back, and so both parties are trying to find the truth to this very matter and know the way forward. But according to the MP for Isama Adreji, they asked for 30 minutes to go into a caucus meeting, and only for the NDC to come here and continue with the vetting. They see that as bad faith. They see that as bad. I'm trying to see if I can go through this side and get more into it. So let me speak to my MP here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Honorable. Good morning. Good morning. Let me speak some few words from you. What do you make of the turn of events in Parliament?
I think it's rather unfortunate and it's embarrassing to all of us. Hopefully they can get the act together so we can vet the ministers. The Ghanaians voted for us to come and get the job done so that the economic hardship they're going through will lessen. So we are not here for this. We are really here to vet President Mahama's ministers so that they can take positions and help us. Today we are vetting the Minister for Health. Our health in this country is in dire straits. So this is the time for us to be serious rather than being serious. Look at what is happening. So I'm hoping that by God's intervention, by cool minds will prevail and we can continue to vet our minister. Thank you.
Also, what's the minority that's opinion marking made some strong remarks that they always be on the side. They've allowed you to even vet more ministers in just some few weeks. And so it's not about the party, it's not about the nominee. I think it's a bigger picture that we are not trying to see.
No matter what is happening, I think whatever is happening is unfortunate. Nobody's right and it's all wrong because everybody's looking at us and I wish that this wouldn't have happened.
I wish this shouldn't have happened and these are her last words. And so the Minister Designate for Health, Kwabena Bentah-Akandoh, is the one yet to be vetted. So right after him, we have the Minister Designate for Foreign Affairs, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, and the list goes on and on. So the two ministers that they will join in today's list, which will make it 9 ministers designated in all. So the chairman has called the meeting to order, and so let's hear what he has to say to us.
Can I have a chair?
For complaint, there was an issue on the floor based on Order 64 regarding quorum. This being a parliamentary city, Article 102 also comes to play. Honourable members, I always maintain that when a procedure is set down for a right to be exercised, it is that procedure that you follow in exercising the right. When we talk about quorum, we are talking about a number of members of parliament. Any law that permits ministers to attend upon parliament does not give right to the minister to be counted as part of the quorum. If our standing order permits subject matter committee members to take part in the proceedings, doesn't mean that they are committee members and as such should be part of the quorum. To honorable members, it accords with common sense and reason that when we are talking about quorum, we are talking about members of the committee. Thank you very much.